Hi, my name is Derek Garcia with LearnSBOM.com, and today I'll be covering the GitHub Action for CycloneDX for Node Package Manager. We've previously covered the CycloneDX for NPM, so this is more of an extension to that video, but as the name implies, this is a GitHub action that uses CycloneDX for NPM to generate a CycloneDX SBOM. So very briefly, I'll go over the code. There's no tool or anything you have to install, you simply cut and paste this into your Workflows YAML file. So a brief overview, the name is just the name of the workflow, uses the CycloneDX, just pulls from the master branch of the tool, and it takes in two arguments, both of which are optional. Path, which is the path to the node project, and output, which is where you want to output. Now with the tool, these work fine, but I found when using the action, these kind of don't have much an effect, but they're there regardless. So I have a sample GitHub repo. I've just copied in a project, which I'll just add the workflow to. So in order to add it, we need to create a new file. Specifically, it needs to be under git.github/workflows. And then you can name it whatever you like, in this case just demo. Otherwise, it won't run, so specifically it needs to be under .github workflows. Next, we just copy and paste the code, which I'll do right now. So here it is, nothing too fancy. We have what we just went over right here. The additional things are just parts to a YAML file for the GitHub action, just the name of the job, what it runs on. This here is a separate checkout to just check out the current branch to run this. So after that, we can, and in this case, this will run every time I do a commit. So, or whenever I push to this repo, this action will run, just in this example. So when I commit this file and go over to the Actions tab, we can see our workflow right here. You can see it's orange, so it hasn't run yet. It's still queued. You can look and see more details. It's waiting to run. There we go. And now our tool is running, and it's done. So the green check mark means we passed. You can see that all the history for running this tool. And our output file is a complete sort of SBOM here. And this version is a JSON form. So you can view all our dependencies and things like that. So I personally did it on a push, which means sort of automatically you'll always have a source to get an SBOM. It's not necessarily written to a file, but it's still there visually. This small but useful action definitely helps with the automation of the SBOM generation. You can easily incorporate this into larger actions that just, again, ensure somewhere that an SBOM is present, even as an afterthought, but maybe it's a part of a bigger process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel to reach out to us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.